In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic newspaper layout using Google Docs. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone looking to jazz up their documents, this guide will walk you through creating that classic newspaper feel, all with just a few clicks. We'll keep it straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a beautifully formatted document, ready for whatever purpose you have in mind. First things first, you'll need to open up your Chrome browser. Once there, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account, so go ahead and select the one you want to use. If you're using a computer for the first time or a new account, you'll need to enter your password. Once you've done that, click on the Next button. Now, let's get to Google Docs. Look for the square-like icon, often called the Google Apps button, located near your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down through the options until you find Docs. Click on Docs, and you should see a list of documents you've worked on recently. For our project, we're going to start with a fresh page, so go ahead and click Blank Document. With your new document open, let's set up the page for a newspaper format. Click on File in the top menu and find the Page Setup option. Here, you can choose how your page is oriented. For today's layout, we'll go with landscape, and while you're here, change the paper size to A4. Margins play a crucial role too, especially for a newspaper. Narrow margins work best since they allow more room for content. Once you're satisfied with your settings, hit OK. To give your newspaper a title, scroll to the top of your document. This section is known as the header. Double-click in that space to enter your title. Make sure your title stands out by selecting it, making it bold, and increasing the font size just enough to catch the eye. Next, we're going to give our document that classic newspaper column look. Click on Format in the menu bar and hover over the columns option. For a traditional newspaper layout, 2 columns is a great choice. Go ahead and select it. This division helps differentiate sections, just like you'd see when reading a print newspaper. With all your formatting in place, you can start typing your text. Remember to keep in mind that with columns, your text will automatically flow from one column to the next. This is perfect for creating that seamless look you want in a newspaper format. And there you have it, a simple way to turn a basic document into a newspaper-style masterpiece. Feel free to play around with fonts, colors, and images to make your publication truly unique. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and inspiring. Happy creating!